Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Can you believe it's been a whole year since I had my hair cut? That is crazy. I think it must be the longest amount of time I've left between haircuts, at least like in my adult life. It's grown so long. When I had it cut a year ago, I'll put a picture up here, but I had it cut to about here, so that is a lot of growth in a year. I am very fortunate that my hair grows quite quickly. I don't particularly do anything special. The only thing I think that could contribute to my hair growth is that I drink a lot of water, but other than that I think it's a lot down to genetics. But obviously there are like hair growth supplements and things like that, but I personally haven't had any experience with them, so I can't really talk about them. I thought I would just kind of talk you through how my hair has grown out, how it was looking before my last cut as well, because last time I had my hair cut, my hair had got very long. It had kind of gone into like a really pronounced V shape, and it was looking kind of like I had two different haircuts going on. So my hairdresser pretty much cut all the straggly bits off, so my hair was a lot shorter, but it's grown out so nicely. I'm really pleased with how it's grown out. I absolutely love this length. This is like my favorite length. Let me zoom you out a bit so you can see better. So when I get my hair cut, I'm just gonna get my layers cut back in. I'm gonna get probably like an inch or so cut off. I really want to keep the length. This is like my favorite length now. I really am happy with the length, so I don't want to get much cut off at all. I'm going to get some layers cut back in because you can see my layers have grown very long, so I'm not really sure how short I'm going to get them cut, but I'll talk to my hairdresser about it. I'm going to get my face framing pieces cut a bit shorter. Recently I've been loving wearing my hair in sort of like a middle parting with these front bits down and this clipped up. I just think it's such a cute style and it's very effortless as well. So I want these bits to be a bit shorter, maybe like jawline length, but I want them to go in with the cut because I have been trimming them myself, but I mean, I'm not a hairdresser. So yeah, I just want them to be a little bit shorter and for them to blend in nicely with my cut. But other than that, I pretty much want to keep the same sort of shape. So I get my hair cut by Jolie at Curl Talk in London. I do have another video about my haircut, what I asked for and my hairdresser, so I'll link that above so I'm not repeating myself. I'm going to try and take you along with me this time because I know a lot of you asked for that last time. I'll try my best, but I may not be able to. So next time you see me, it will either be at the salon or I'll have my haircut. Goodbye. I'm back and here is my new haircut. I'm in a really weird position because I wanted you to be able to see my hair in like kind of natural light but also be zoomed back, so yeah, sorry about the camera angle. But yeah, this is my new cut. I'm really happy with it. This is the first wash that I've done since having it cut, so like I've washed and styled it myself today. So it's wash day, so it's usually a little bit flatter on wash day. But also I find that after I have my hair cut, it can take a few washes for my hair to kind of settle into its new cut. So for instance, like these pieces here, they always take a little while to like find their curl families, and like some of them haven't found their curl families yet. So that is to be expected. But yeah, I really didn't have much cut off at all, as you can see. But look at these juicy ringlets and little curl clumps that I've got going on. The definition on the back of my hair has got so much better now, and I am also trying out a new styling technique which I think has helped with that, so I'll definitely share that with you soon in another video. So basically on my hair I asked to keep the length, so that is what we've done. We just cut a small amount of the length all over. I asked to have my layers cut back in, but I asked for long layers this time because something that I realised having my hair cut shorter last year and then letting it grow out is that when it did grow out and my layers were longer, I actually felt like I had more hair. My hair felt fuller, so I wanted to kind of keep that going. So we've got layers. My shortest layer is probably, that you can see my hair is actually much more defined on the side now than it was before. I think my shortest layer is probably about here, and then like the end is here, so still like fairly short compared to like the rest of my hair. So the front face framing pieces I had cut a lot shorter as well. As I said earlier on in the video in the before, I wanted them to be cut quite short because I've been wearing my hair in a centre part, so yeah, they are cut shorter. But other than that, I literally just had pretty much just, it just needed a little shaping. Like I didn't have much cut off because I was really liking how my hair looked, and if you got something good, why change it? That is what I say. So yeah, let me show you the front face framing pieces and how short I've had them cut. I'm just looking in the mirror to the side of me. They're a little bit wayward at the moment. They're not really finding their clumps properly. Maybe if I like styled in a centre part in and clumped them together, they would clump better, but because obviously I wear my hair usually in a side part, I think they're just struggling to find their families. But you can see just like how much shorter they are now. So I asked them to be jaw length, so that is where they are. Maybe I'll start styling my hair in a centre part a little bit more, who knows. But I'm looking forward to sort of wearing my little clip up one like this with these front face framing pieces out. That's like a really nice hairstyle that I really like to wear. Just done a really rubbish job of that then. But yeah, I'm really happy with this cut. I think it's given me more fullness, just a little bit off the length, but yeah, it really literally just did need a little bit of shaping. Obviously I hadn't had my hair cut in over a year, so it's amazing that it stayed so healthy, and I think it is just because I do take quite good care of my hair. Like I don't dye it, I don't use like any heat on it, only diffuser a couple of times a week. So yeah, it did stay pretty healthy. I'm sorry that I couldn't take you along with me. I left my phone in my bag and I was just really enjoying like having my hair done. I hadn't been to the hairdresser for over a year, so I was really enjoying like being pampered. But yeah, maybe one day I'll take you along. And also I kind of just like to let my hairdresser get on with it. I don't like to shove the camera in her face or anything. It's just nice to have my hair cut, and it doesn't feel like drastically different either. It's just a little lift, a little bit more volume. Now that the ends have been cut, they're springing up a bit more. You can really see that in my like side pieces and at the back. I feel like it's a lot fuller now, and yeah, I'm really excited to just keep styling it myself, my own products, and hopefully over the next few washes it will kind of all fall into place, and any of the little ones that can't find their clump families will find them. They'll be reunited. But yeah, I really hope you found this video somewhat helpful. It just goes to show that you don't always have to have like a really drastic haircut. Sometimes just like a little trim or just like having a little bit cut off can make such a difference. And obviously like last year I had quite a drastically different haircut. I had a lot cut off. So this time I just kind of wanted to keep it the same. It's grown to a length that I really like. And yeah, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.